Welcome friends. This is the important video for all Steeler coin lovers and Steeler coin holders. So please watch this video complete, and in this video I am going to tell you my next targets of Steeler coin, my next short term targets, my next medium term targets, and my next long duration targets for the Steeler coin. So please stay in the video and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel if you are a new user. And please join my Telegram for more informative content and useful information. Links are in this video's description. Here you can see this is the Steeler 4-hour Bitfinex chart, and let me please tell you first target which is immediate short-term target, and let me please draw these drawings for you. And here you can see, and it is creating like a symmetrical triangle in 4 hours. And let me please draw this first. And I think the breakout of this symmetrical triangle is expecting from 24 to 48 hours in between. And if I calculate the target, and if this happens, and if Steeler break this towards upside, then I think my target is at this is the most likely scenario. $0.50 is the next immediate short-term target for the Steeler coin for me, and I think definitely it is going to hit this. And if I turn a day chart for you, and if I remove these drawings, then please mark this price. 0.50 is my next short-term target, immediate short-term target for the Steeler coin. And let me please remove this. Here you can see in day chart I am seeing I think this is a bull flag. If this happens, let me please draw this first. This is like a bull flag. Let me please clone this. After that, here you can see 0.50. Two patterns are telling me that 0.50 is next target for this Steeler, immediate short-term targets, and day chart and sorry friends, day chart and 4-hour chart. Let me please arrange this chart and let me please show you. First of all, let me please show you the resistances for Steeler coin. This is the resistance, and at 0.32, and this is the other resistance, I think so, and which is at 0.35. After that, definitely Steeler is going to hit all-time high, which is at 0.47. These are the targets for medium duration, and targets of medium duration. And if we took a trade, or if we buy Steeler coin right from that moment, let me please tell you what are the next levels we have to wait. For this we have to draw, let me please arrange this chart again, and here you can see. Currently Steeler is in his golden pocket, and here you can see is at $0.31 level, and after that definitely Steeler is going to hit this level 0.78 $0.374. I think $37 30 cents level very soon, and this is 0.78 at fib retracement level. And after that, the next level I am waiting for is at 0.46, and which is at I think 1.1, and after that, next level we have to wait for 0.74, and next level we have to wait $1.18 level, and after that 1.61, and after that 1.90. $2 is next target if I follow this chart, and if this happens, then next target is $2 for the Stellar coin. And let me please arrange this chart. If we buy Stellar at that point, let me please arrange this chart again, because I want to do this very perfectly, and because your time is very precious for me. And here you can see, if we buy Stellar from that point, and from that, and if we set a stop loss as is at golden pocket, and here you can see, then our stop loss is at 18%, and our next target is at 15%. First of all, let me please show you next target is at 24%. Risk is 18%, and reward is, first reward is 24%, second reward is 53%, third reward is 138%, and fourth reward is 80%. Let me please arrange again, and if we assume that $2 is the final level in this bull run, then our reward will be at 516%, and risk is just at 18%. If you took this trade, and if you buy this XLab coin at that point, this is absolutely not surely is not financial advice. This you can trade it, or you can buy it at your own risk, because leverage trading and cryptocurrency is always very risky. If you buy this, and reward is at 516%, and risk is just 18%. If we use 10x leverage, then our reward will be 5000%, and risk is 118% if we use 10x leverage. And if we use 5x, then our reward will be 2500%. So these are the levels I am watching and I am waiting for, and definitely $2 is the next target for me of in this bull run for Stellar coin, and I think Stellar should have to hit my target of $2 level very soon in this bull run in this year. This is please let me remember. Please let me clear this. This is the target for long term. I mean to say minimum of 1 year duration. If you buy and hold Stellar coin for 1 year, I think definitely it is going to hit $2 level, and definitely it is going to give you a 500% gain in this bull run. Thanks for the watching. If you want any coins technical analysis, please comment below, and please tell me. I will make special video for your request, and I will make it. And please show your sport friend, and please like this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel too. And if you want leverage trading, if you want to do leverage trading, then links of Bybit and Binance exchanges are in my video's description. You can join these exchanges with my affiliate link. Thanks for the support. Take care.